Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to look at how to cut off a sound from a video file. The total sound. I want to cut off the total sound of this video file. As you see, this is my tutorial video and I'm just making a right click and just select the separate audio and video. Yeah, just select this one. So as you see, this sound is right here and the video tutorial is here. For example, I am only moving this video file. As you see, the sound file is alone right now.
Hello guys, I'm Onur. I'm a Turkish citizen and let me talk about my English specifications.
As you see, there is video here and there's sound here. For example, let's try this one. As you see, the video is going on right now, but there is no sound of it. So I split it up the sound and video like this. So it's that easy. You can add a lot of different soundtracks here, or you can manage your sound level. So splitting up sound and the video files sometimes really useful.